What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy Note 9, and I wanted to put a skin on here from dbrand. Dbrand's a pretty good company. They sell skins for all kinds of the devices, so make sure you guys check them out. I picked up the camo skin for the Galaxy Note 9, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this and take a look and see what it looks like. Now, I have the purple or lilac or the Thanos color, whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to protect this device because it's a glass back, gets a lot of fingerprints, and plus I don't want to get it all scratched up. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this camo skin. So let's do it. All right, the first thing you want to do is you want to wipe this down. They give you a microfiber cloth, but if you have an extra one, you could always use that. It's not a big deal. You wipe this sucker down. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your skin here. I got the camo. You can get these for like 10-12 bucks off dbrand, like I said before in the intro. And what you want to do is after you wipe it down, get it all good and no dust or any fingerprints or anything on there. You go ahead and just wipe it down and you grab this sucker. And what I do is I'll pull this off here like this. Sorry about that. And I'll put this on the bottom here like that. And then what I do is I place the holes on over the camera as best I can do it. No heavy breathing allowed. Like so. You got to kind of play around with it a little bit. Let me pull it off again. You want to get it just right, and then when you do, you kind of just... Now you can, one of my subscribers says you can use a blow dryer to kind of heat this up so it sticks a little better. I really don't find it necessary to do that, but if you want to do that, you can. And then you kind of just rub it on there. It sticks real easy. This is a really simple install. It's not hard at all. So if you get this, don't be intimidated. It's real easy to do. And then what you do, once you get the top on, you pull off the rest of it, and you kind of just slide down like so. And this thing sticks real good. And there you go. This does not look bad at all. dbrand camo for the Galaxy Note 9. All right, well, this install came out pretty good. This is the camo skin from dbrand for the Galaxy Note 9. It protects the back. You can also, when you order, you can get the front, but I didn't see any reason to get the front. You could also, I believe, get the sides and the fingerprint, that kind of thing. But you know what? This looks good enough to me. I like it. You got any questions? Hit me down below. But this is the camo for the Galaxy Note 9 from dbrand. That'll do it, man. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you'd like to be part of the crew and all the party people, go ahead and subscribe. Also, like this video. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram for the latest and greatest in the world of tech, especially Android. I got your back. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.